Hi guys, I welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be discussing the crazy arrow indicator for MT4. All right, for more information, check the description below. You're going to find the link to this web page. Okay, now without further ado, the crazy arrow indicator is an indicator that helps to identify the prevailing market direction for an asset. Okay, let's just go straight to the crazy arrow indicator chart. Right, as you can see, it gives you arrows. Right, a buy arrow, a blue upward arrow gives buy signals, or rather indicates buy signals. Right, while a red downward arrow indicates sell signals. Okay, and now you can also see that this green line shows bullish momentum prevailing at the time, and the red line indicates sell momentum, or rather bearish momentum prevailing at the time. Okay, pay attention to the arrows, pay attention to the line. Okay, and make sure you always get confirmations when you want to enter a buy trade. Make sure there is confirmation, candlestick confirmation, chart patterns confirmation, whatever confirmation you usually use. It is better to have confluence rather than depending on just one signal from one indicator. Okay, so basically, if you get a confirmation after the arrow appears, you should consider entering a buy trade. Stop loss can be below the swing low, take profit can be around resistance zones, or perhaps when the red arrow appears. On the other hand, when you get a bearish confirmation after the red arrow appears, you can consider entering a sell trade. Stop loss above the swing high, take profit can be around support zones, or perhaps when the blue arrow appears. All right, pretty straightforward. Now, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to consider doing that now and turn on your notifications as well so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content that is being posted on this channel regularly. Okay, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.